Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are well. Today we have met online after a long time and will continue to meet online for some time. So today we are going to start with the very first chapter of your subject computer, that is computer language. Okay, so in today's video we will learn about what is computer language, what is program, what is programming, and who are programmers. So let us start with the chapter computer language. Now first of all, let us understand what is computer language. Now if you want to communicate with someone, okay, or if you want to share your views or feelings to someone, how can you do it? You can do it using a language, right? Suppose if you want to drink a lemonade, so you have to tell it to your mom to make you a lemonade. For that you have to use a language for saying so, okay? Or if you consider an example of, suppose there is a room, okay? In that room there are 4 persons: Adi, Yash, Aditi and Shreya. Okay, now suppose Adi wants to tell Yash about what his current situation is, okay, or Adi wants to tell Yash like how his quarantine is going. So how can Adi tell to Yash? Adi is Gujarati and Yash is suppose Marathi. Okay, so if Adi wants to tell to Yash, what language can Adi use? Either English or Hindi. Okay, now if both of them will be knowing Hindi or English, it will be easy for them to communicate or to share their views. Okay, so we can say language is a way or is a medium to express your views and feelings. Okay, so same way, if Aditi and Shreya both are from Kerala and they know their mother tongue, okay, they know their language, and if they want to communicate, it will be easy for them. Why? Because they both are from same state and they know the same language. Okay, so language is a medium to express your views or feelings. Okay, if you want to tell something to someone, you should know this language. Okay, whatever language, it should be common between 2 persons. Okay, there should be a single or at least one language which should be common to both of them, so that you can communicate easily. Okay, right now we are communicating using which language? That is English. If I am not speaking in English and I am speaking in Marathi, and you people only understand suppose English and Gujarati, then it will be a tough job for you to understand it. So for communicating or to share any view or feeling, you should have a language which is common between 2 people. So from this we can say, what is a computer language? Computer language is a language which is understood by computer. Okay, or in other terms we can say computer language, it is a language which is used to instruct whom? Instruct the computer to do a certain task.